What is the force of gravity acting on a 700 kilogram cow? So force of gravity in the physics world is what we call weight, and you'll often see it as a capital W. So we're looking for the weight of the cow. Weight in physics is measured in newtons. Now, if we're assuming we're on the surface of the Earth, the shortcut we can use is just m times g, where the mass has to be in kilograms, and g is the gravitational field strength of the Earth, which we know is 9.8. So it's fairly simple. We simply go 700 kilograms, mass of the cow, times 9.8 meters per second squared. And when we multiply those two things together, we get 6.86 times 10 to the 3 newtons. That's the force of gravity acting on a cow on the surface of the Earth, or the weight of a cow. Notice we could have used this equation. We could have used our universal one, where one of the masses is the mass of the cow and the other one is the mass of the Earth. But just so everybody's aware, this equation collapses to our shortcut because the mass of the Earth never changes at any location around the planet. The distance to the center of the Earth never changes. That's just the radius of the Earth, and g never changes. And it turns out, as long as we're using Earth values, that blue bit I've circled works out to 9.8 meters per second squared. So as long as you're on the surface of the Earth, this equation becomes g times m, or mg. That's where it all comes from in the first place.